Good morning. The lesson that we have to learn is what secularism is and is not by Romila Thapar. So in this introductory lecture, I will be giving a general introduction to the author and the essay. So let us begin. Romila Thapar was born in India in 1931 in a well-known Punjab family and spent her childhood in various parts of the country. So when was our author Romila Thapar born? She was born on 1931 and where? In India, in a well-known, that is a famous Punjab family. What about her childhood? She has spent her childhood in various, that is, more than one parts of the country. She did her doctorate at London University in 1958 in history. Where did she do her doctorate? It was at London University, and in which year? In 1958. And her research was done in the field of history. So her doctorate was done at London University in the year 1958 and her area of research or her field of research was in history. She has taught ancient Indian history at London University, Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University and Oxford University among others. So what did she taught? She has taught ancient Indian history at various universities like London University, Delhi University, Jawaharlal Nehru University, that is JNU, and Oxford University. She is currently Emerita Professor of History at Jawaharlal Nehru University, New Delhi. Emerita, it is an adjective used to designate a retired chair, professor, or any post where the person has been permitted to retain as an honorary title the rank of the last office held. So our author, Romila Thapar, is currently Emerita Professor of History at JNU, New Delhi. Thapar has an interest in the social and cultural history of ancient India. So in history, Thapar's area of interest are the social and cultural history of ancient India. Among her publications are, so let's have a look at Thapar's publications. Ashoka and the Decline of the Mauryas, Ancient Indian Social History, some interpretations, From Lineage to State, History and Beyond. Shakuntala Text Readings, Histories and Cultural Past, Essays on Indian History as well as the children's book, Indian Tales. So these are some of her publications. This text is an extract from the Asghar Ali Engineer Memorial Lecture that Thapar delivered at Jamia Millia Islamia, Delhi on 19 August 2015. This text that we have to study, that is what secularism is and is not, it is an extract from the Asghar Ali Engineer Memorial Lecture that Romila Thapar delivered where at Jamia Millia Islamia, Delhi, and on which date on 19th August 2015. In her lecture, she talks about Indian society and the idea of secularism. Thapar talks about Indian society and the idea of secularism, that is, the principle of separation of the state from religious institutions in this lecture. She defines Indian secularism and the colonial view of religion and its place in Indian history. So, Thapar describes Indian secularism and the colonial view of what religion and its place in the history of India. She also explains the importance of sects, the arrival of Islam, and finally concludes with her views on the task of secularism. Sects means a group of people with somewhat different religious beliefs from those of a larger group to which they belong. So, Thapar also explains the importance of sects. She talks about the arrival of Islam and how does she conclude. So she concludes by talking about her views on the task of secularization. Secularization, that is the action or process of converting something from religious to secular possession or use. This is all for today. Thank you.